kurkure dipped in chai, Coca-Cola chicken, potato chips dipped in chocolate sauce, biscuit sandwich. These are few of my experiments which I've conducted with food. You'll be like, what is wrong with him? But trust me when I say that you'll love them a lot. If these are not enough to make you go like what, then today's tutorial is definitely going to raise the bar in terms of its uniqueness and taste. Hi everyone, my name is Shubham and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to combine two of my most favorite ingredients, that is mango and chicken, and they are definitely going to have an everlasting impact on your palate. So without further ado, let's prepare my dish, that is King of Hearts. For the ingredients will require half kg of marinated chicken in half teaspoon of turmeric and red chili powder respectively, then 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Moving on further, will require red chili powder and turmeric powder. You can add them as per your palate requirement, but I have added around 3 teaspoons of each. Will require 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, handful of curry leaves, two and a half cup of mango puree, for which I have used around 1.5 mango, 1 large bowl, that is around 2 cups of onion paste, and last but not the least will require around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. To start with, add in the vegetable oil in a large non-stick saucepan which is kept on a low heat. Add in the mustard seeds and let them crackle a bit. Add in all the curry leaves, let them fry for a minute or so in the oil. After that, add in the ginger garlic paste, saute it for a half minute and then add in all the onion paste. Start mixing the onion paste and the ginger garlic paste in the oil thoroughly and keep on doing so for around 5 minutes. Later on, let it cook for around more 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this mixture will reduce a lot and start oozing out a lot of oil. That's when you can add the chicken when this type of consistency is observed. Coat the chicken thoroughly in this mixture and then let it cook for around 10 minutes more. After 10 minutes of mixing the chicken and the paste together, you can add in the red chili powder and turmeric powder. I've added 3 teaspoons of each, but it's up to you how much you want to add. The turmeric powder gives it that yellow color which is needed. And now I am adding 2 teaspoons of salt, but it's all up to your taste of how much salt do you want. I have also added 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. This is completely optional, but I'll recommend that you do so. Now incorporate half quantity of the mango paste. This will help the chicken cook evenly. Due to the mango paste, the chicken will lose out all the excess water, thus decreasing the long waiting period which chicken usually requires to cook. Mix everything well enough and leave it to cook for around 15 minutes more. Do ensure that the flame is kept on a low heat. Place the lid on the chicken during this step. You notice that it would have oozed out a lot of excess water by then. At this stage, keep the flame on a medium heat and keep on stirring the chicken so that the excess water gets evaporated soon. Add in the remaining mango paste to this chicken. What this remaining mango paste will do is that it will thicken up all the chicken and provide it with sweet, tangy and zingy flavor. The chicken will get cooked in around 10 minutes more, after which you can switch off the flame and keep it aside. After around 10-15 minutes, the chicken will get cooked and you can either serve it or you can go ahead an extra mile and you can also give a tadka to this chicken. You just have to fry few dried chilies in half tablespoon of vegetable oil. When they become a bit charred, add the tadka to our chicken and mix it thoroughly. Once done, you can keep the chicken aside and start with plating. So, there it is. King of Hearts is ready and you can feast upon it. The recipe is very unique, because adding mango to chicken is something which is usually unheard of. What sets it apart is not the combination of two ingredients, that is mango and chicken, but the flavor that is produced after everything gets cooked. The diverse flavors really stand out. It can be eaten as a starter or else you can have it as a main course itself. If you want to have it as a gravy like consistency, then you just have to add 2 cups of coconut milk and that will help you achieve the same. The calorie count of the dish is around 896 calories and the total cost required to prepare it was under 500 rupees. So, if you like this recipe, follow the drill. That is, like this video, share it with your family and friends, comment below any suggestions or tips that you might have, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you soon on the next Scrumptious Wednesday. Until then, take care, be safe, much love.